I wrote this from scratch with no ChatGPT. I still have to implement the getter and then remove, but this is the code. This is the try. It has this subclass with some generic, and then it implements serializable, so it writes in and out into this. So it has two constructors. It has a default constructor, and then a constructor with a parameter that overloads this constructor. Then it has a private method called update tree. So this is where, like, when you add an item and an ID, so this item would be like the username, and then the ID would be like their ID, which pulls from the data that you can use to pull from the database. And then this namespace is like the item, this string, and then it iterates, and then it adds accordingly to the tree. And then this is just a toString method that overrides the object class. And then this is the save object and then load object. So then now if you were to like use this, let me compile it first. Main.java. So I have this. So this is the usage basically. I can load. So this is basically loading a try. So I already have this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is the try. So I can make a new try by doing java main.java. Then the first field is the ID you give the try. So let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. And then let's say my username is Bob Marley with an ID of 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next would be James Crusoe with an ID of 4, 5, 6, 7. And then Jerome Marudo with 3, 4, 5, 7. And then Suhan Park with 1, 4, 5, 6. And then Emmanuel Marudo with 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then I press enter. Right, it adds it. Right, so it says, wait a minute. Okay, sorry, I'm tripping the fuck out. So then, look, this is basically like the print tree. So it iterates. So it does a breadth first search of this, and it just prints it out in order of BFS, right? So now I can do A, B, C, D, E, F, I think. And then it will load it in, hopefully. Yeah, see, and then now it's the same. Isn't that cool?